let's take a quick trip through the terminal on the outside here at OGG. Well, nobody going to rental cars on the left, that's for sure. As of the moment, there are 4 Hawaiian jets here and 1 from American Airlines. Officer from TSA, and he does have a mask on. Upon arrival, we were escorted to meet with a Department of Health person and a police officer. Spent about 15-20 minutes with them. Then we were off to see National Guards for a health exam, and then home for 14 days of quarantine. Hey, there's somebody with a suitcase. Hey, hey. Welcome to Maui. .236 from Honolulu is on final. Hawaiian Mini Mad Dog at a Boeing 717. Completing the 20-minute flight from Honolulu, HNL. Wind directly at my back, so you can't hear any sound yet. There we go. Boy, I gotta tell you, after 14 days of quarantine, it sure is good to be out and about again. Looks like we got a pair of Neos, a pair of 717s, and an AA 737. 170, 22 minutes from Honolulu, 1 year old Neo Airbus. On final for runway 2. Oh my gosh, I was almost gonna move. So much for a 3.5 hour delay for our Honolulu flight. Our mini Mad Dog, the only aircraft over there that I can see, just got pushed back. Hopefully that's for takeoff to HNL, Honolulu. At grass skirts, Mai Tais, luau's. Line it up. 100 miles. Make a left turn, go up to about 15,000 feet, throw the landing gear down and you're there. Honolulu, here we come. Aloha. Monday, 8:30 a.m., July the 27th. Look at this. Not one aircraft in the terminal. Not a one. At the FedEx 777 from Memphis. Headed to Honolulu. Oh yeah, Christmas coming early. FedEx MD-11. Chasing the 777 to Honolulu. I think this is one of those caravans, those 208s. I think it took it like 33 minutes to come from Kona. jet, it's like 13 minutes. Sugar plantation, which is no longer in operation, but there's a museum there. It's all pretty cool. Also another cool spotting place right there. For arrivals anyhow. Hey, yep. 159 is down at the base of runway 2. Line her up. Whoa! Dang it! .176, completing the 22-minute journey from Honolulu. Everything so far this morning has been inner island. Looks like a mini Winnebago, doesn't it? Oh, I can't see anything in the sun now. Jeez. That was dumb, Steven. Yeah, typically there'd be just never-ending tour helicopter tours. That's not the case now.